Today we'll talk about how can you set channel, default channel on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down here. So then you click here on set default channel here, just click on it. When you just click on it here, sorry, we will go back. Sorry, we will go back. So like I say, when you go down here, you click here on set default channel here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here you see default channel in this list on your Audiomack app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.